Hey guys, what's up? In this short tutorial I'm going to guide you through the deletion process on ClickUp. For example, if you'd like to delete your account permanently. So let's get started. Now all you need to do, guys, is log into your account here on ClickUp. You can do that, for example, through your web browser such as Google Chrome. Log into your account, and here in the top right corner click on your profile icon and select settings from that drop down menu to access your account settings. And on the following page, guys, scroll down to the very bottom till you get to that section here called Danger Zone. Proceed with caution. That's because, guys, if you once decide to delete your account, for example, by clicking on that button, you will be asked to review your decision and to make sure that you really want to delete your account, because your decision will be permanent and irreversible. So if you click on that confirm button here in the bottom right corner, your account will be deleted instantaneously. However, bear in mind that, for example, your workspaces will be put in a queue for 30 days and will be deleted permanently with all the associated data, tasks, members, to-do lists, and so on and so forth after these 30 days and not prior to that. So guys, if you 100% sure, click on that button here to delete your account, and that's basically it. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.